Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a super essential topic, packing for your working holiday. You know, packing can really make or break your trip. If you overpack, you might feel like you're hauling around a lead-weighted suitcase. If you underpack, well, you're left scrambling for essentials. So, let's break it down.
What do you mean by packed my suitcase with? Is it just clothes or, can you add personal items too?
Great question. Absolutely, it includes everything. It's not just about clothes, it's also about your personal items and essentials. When I was preparing for a working holiday in Australia, I packed clothes for various weather conditions and made sure to include things like snacks from home. You know, comfort items like your favorite trail mix or candy bars. It just makes the journey feel a bit more familiar.
Oh, that's so cool. I guess it makes sense to bring stuff from home. But did you make a list? Or just go with your gut?
Haha, definitely a list. You need that organization, or you'll forget something crucial like, oh, your charger or passport, right? For example, before my trip, I made a list of everything I needed. Clothes, documents, and even my travel adapter. Without it, I'd be in a pickle.
Right. So did you almost forget anything important?
Oh yes, one time, I almost forgot my travel adapter. Can you imagine being in a new country with all these cool devices but no way to charge them? Total nightmare. That's why I always advise people to ensure you've got those vital items packed.
Haha, yeah. That would be epic chaos. But what about, clothes? How do you decide which clothes to bring?
Fantastic point. You really need to think about your destination's climate. For example, if you're packing for a winter holiday, layers are key. I typically bring a couple of formal outfits for special occasions, and mostly casual ones. When I went to New Zealand, I packed a weatherproof jacket because, rain is kind of a given there.
Oh wow, so you definitely wouldn't want to get drenched, right? But what about shoes? Do you bring a lot?
Shoes are tricky. I always recommend packing one pair of comfortable shoes, like sneakers, and one pair for work or dressier occasions. When I was in Europe, I packed versatile shoes that could transition from day to night easily.
That sounds like a smart move. Can I ask about snacks? I like to munch during flights. What do you take?
Oh, snacks are vital. I always bring something with me. It keeps your energy up while traveling. Think granola bars or dried fruit. Something lightweight but satisfying. I once brought some homemade cookies, and they were a hit with fellow travelers. A little piece of home, you know?
That sounds awesome. But, do you keep your important documents all together?
Yes, you want to keep those documents safe and organized. I use a waterproof pouch to carry my passport, tickets, and travel insurances. Trust me, nothing ruins a trip more than misplacing important documents.
Oh man, I bet. So let's say I'm heading out for a working holiday soon. What's the most essential packing tip you can give me?
Definitely invest in a universal travel adapter. It's a lifesaver, making sure you can charge all your devices no matter where you are. And you know what? Bring a good backpack or suitcase that's durable. You want to be able to shove it in overhead compartments without worrying about it bursting at the seams.
Wow, sounds like you've got it all figured out. Thanks for all these tips. I'm getting excited just thinking about my packing list.
Happy to help. And don't forget to leave a little space in your luggage for souvenirs. You're going to collect some amazing memories on this journey.
Ooh, I can already picture that. Thanks for this awesome chat.
Absolutely. And for all the listeners out there, don't forget to subscribe and join us for our next adventure. Safe travels, everyone!